Network congestion. It's a common headache for IT teams, leading to lost productivity and endless frustration. But what if you could not only detect these issues but also predict and resolve them before they impact your business? In this video, we'll show you how FortiAIOps helps you investigate and resolve network issues. We'll start by navigating to the impacted SLAs page and accessing the switching tab. To fix a slow network, let's look at the Throughput SLA. Here, we can immediately see a clear congestion issue. The table shows the FortiGate hostname, and we can click it to see more details. Based on the actual time of the disruption, we'll check the switch logs. The Diagnostics tab gives us a detailed view, showing the congested FortiGate, its IP address, and the switch serial number. The Issue Diagnostics section reveals the cause: congestion on port 1. We can also see the transmission and port utilization stats. For even more detail, the Switch Statistics tab provides additional information about the congestion. The Diagnostics tab recommends implementing a quality of service policy and configuring traffic shaping to control the transmission rate. It even suggests upgrading the bandwidth to 10G. Now, let's go back to the impacted SLA window. Another issue affecting the network is a broadcast storm. Clicking on this SLA gives us more details. The Details pane shows us the switch where the issue was detected. When we check the switch logs, we can see that a broadcast storm was found on port 1, caused by redundant links. To fix this, the recommendation is to either disconnect the device on that port or segment the network into VLANs. With FortiAIOps, you can move from a reactive to a proactive approach, keeping your network running smoothly and your business productive.